Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Marriott, and this is the King 5 Plus forecast. We've had a series of below normal high temperatures, it seems like, for the last couple of weeks, and it's been a while since we've seen a 70-degree temperature, but it looks like we're going to see some as we head into this weekend, as finally going to see some warmer temperatures just in time for the holiday weekend. That was not the case yesterday, as a matter of fact. That high temperature out of the airport, only 60 degrees, 7 degrees below the normal for the date, and that convergence zone, which moved slowly southward during the afternoon yesterday, never quite made it down to SeaTac before midnight last night, so nothing in the gauge at all. It is exactly a month, 30 days until the arrival of the summer solstice, it looks like, from today, so we are due to see some more summer-like temperatures than we've seen in recent days, that's for certain. Take a look at the pollen count from Northwest Asthma and Allergy. You can see the pollen counts in the low range for both trees and grasses, and those weeds popped up into the moderate range yesterday, and we may see more of that as we enter the weekend and see those warmer temperatures head into the area. That convergence zone from yesterday afternoon lasted through the night over part of the area, but it's pretty much wrapped up now, and we're seeing clearing skies around western Washington. You can see that there from our Port Angeles tower cam, looking pretty nice right now, looking out across the strait, and boy, a lot of blue there in that shot from Bellingham. A nice morning to be there in the marina or somewhere out on the water for sure. And see skies beginning to clear there over downtown Seattle, and the same for over downtown Tacoma and the Tacoma Dome down there, seeing more and more sunshine here at mid-morning. Checking our first alert 7-day forecast, you can see we actually are looking for some 70s, especially as we head into the holiday weekend. Pretty good timing, in fact, to get that for Memorial Day weekend. Oftentimes that is not the case. However, it does look like you might start to see a chance of a few showers creeping back in as we head towards Memorial Day itself and maybe in the first part of next week. But it does continue to be fairly warm, so that's a little bit of good news in there. Checking weather in the back over the Midwest and the East, where they've been seeing severe storms this week. The system that's been helping drive that continuing to move slowly out towards the East Coast should be moving hopefully on out to sea here in about the next 1 to 2 days, so we'll get it out of the way for the holiday weekend that's coming up. But again today, the Severe Storm Prediction Center has kind of a bullseye there over the area of southern Missouri into northern Arkansas. It's a slight chance as opposed to when we've had moderate and enhanced chances earlier in the week, and then also an area there right along the coast of North Carolina where there's a slight chance of seeing some severe storms. So still pretty active back there, but that should be gradually winding down in the next day or two. Take a look closer to home. You can see we do have that little system off the Oregon coast that is going to move inland through Oregon as we head towards later today and tonight. With that, it's going to rotate some moisture up into eastern Washington and into the South Cascades, and some of that could spill over the Cascades into parts of the South Sound as we head towards tomorrow morning. There's not going to be much, probably just some sprinkles. Those will happen fairly early. Those should end, and then we'll be clearing back out again as we'll start to see some high pressure move in as we head towards Thursday afternoon. Taking a look at the computer model, you can see exactly what's going on. You can see our clouds trying to clear today, and then that system moves in, spreads some high clouds in as we head towards this evening with a little bit of shower action moving into the southern portion of western Washington. As we head towards overnight tonight, you can see that tracks on to the east, but still pushing some moisture up into the Cascades, and that's what could spill over and give us those sprinkles tomorrow morning. But by tomorrow afternoon, we start to see the skies clear out, and we should get into a few days of pretty nice weather with those temperatures finally making it back into the 70s as we head towards the weekend itself. Take a look at the forecast high temperatures for today. We're going to be getting mostly in the low to mid 60s around western Washington. Heading on into tomorrow, not too different. We might pick up a degree or two here and there, and not a whole lot of change as we head towards Friday. However, once we move into the weekend itself, Saturday we'll see the temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. Sunday looks to be the warmest of the series of days, getting into the low to mid 70s with possibly some high 70s as you get out there towards the Cascade foothills, and you never know, it might even touch 80 in some place with any luck at all. Overall, though, checking the 7-day forecast again, partly sunny today. Showers are pretty much over with. High temperatures getting into the mid-60s. Partly sunny after a chance of a morning sprinkle tomorrow, mid-60s, and partly sunny with mid-60s on Friday. Saturday will be in the upper 60s and low 70s. Sunday, again, low to mid-70s with some upper 70s in the warmer spots. Monday for Memorial Day, might see a chance chance of a few showers starting to push in, and then partly sunny skies. Still mild, though, with temperatures around 70 degrees. And as we head towards Tuesday, well, just a chance of a few showers around, and those highs staying near 70. So it's going to be unusual. Normally, when we get Memorial Day weekend, we get a good round of rain moving in after some sunshine. For a change, Mother Nature is giving us some sunshine over the weekend, but take your rain gear with you just in case it does give us a few showers on Memorial Day. And over the weekend in the mountains, of course, there's always a chance that you might run into a shower if you're headed up to do some camping. Also, as a note, this is the last weekend of lift service skiing up in the Cascades. Crystal Mountain is operating Saturday and Sunday up in Green Valley, so get a chance to get in a few last turns of the season should you be so inclined.